Hi guys, I'm going to show you a breakdown of how to solve this problem. Your other teachers have taught you other test taking strategies. This is just like another example of what you could do because we are going to be looking for items such as this on your paper or on your online packet, whichever one you are doing. Okay, so for example, this one, number 1. What type of weather is Atlanta, Georgia most likely experiencing? Okay, so what is this question asking you? What is this question asking you? Basically, what's the weather like, not linked, but like in Atlanta? That's what it's asking. All right. If you want to rewrite your question in a different way, that is helpful because sometimes you don't really understand what it's saying when it's given to you. But when it's something more simple, like, hey, what's the weather like in Atlanta? Easy. Now we're going to zoom in. All right, where is Atlanta? Where is Atlanta? If you know anything about it, you know that it was here. This is Atlanta, Georgia. And what do you notice about what's around Atlanta, Georgia? Well, you would notice that you're going to put a circle around it. You would circle Atlanta, Georgia, obviously, because we want to know what this guy's about. And we're going to do like in green, a little cool. We see that it is around a low pressure system. So maybe you can put like an arrow and you can write somewhere around the arrow, maybe not in it, that it's a low pressure system. And then, what does a low pressure system even mean? Well, you would know what a low pressure system is. Here, if you need to use your reference sheet, you can. If you need to use your reference sheet, you can just to study, maybe like reassure yourself. But when you take quizzes and tests, that reference sheet is not there for you. It's just for you to practice with. It's like a little cheat sheet. Okay, because when you actually take the assessment, it's not going to be there. You're relying on your memorization, like your knowledge. So low pressure system, I know that low pressure means bad weather. What else do we know about a low pressure system? Low pressure system, well, the pressure is obviously low. It says it in the name. Low pressure means bad weather. We also know that since it's low pressure, there's more water vapor. So I'm going to put here more water vapor. See how I'm using all of the things, all the knowledge that I have gained throughout this time? You're doing that same thing. You're just like knowledge dumping here. It's like, okay, low pressure system. That means that there's like low pressure means bad weather. There's more water vapor. Maybe rain, right? Is rain possible? Yeah, it's possible. Low pressure system, guys. Low pressure system. All right. This is where you can use your reference sheet just in case. We also see that it's like at the edge, it's close to the ocean. Maybe that'll add more water vapor, just things like that. Okay. Now that we've like deconstructed this, we've analyzed the graph. Okay. Now we're going to check our answers. All right. Process of elimination and answers. You're going to delete 2 answers that are obviously wrong. So let's read them out. Anyway, whatever. Let's read them. A, clear skies and fair weather. Or is it B, light rain? Or is it C, warm temperatures and low humidity? Or is it D, an increase in temperature? So when we say, well, low pressure means bad weather, I know it's obviously not clear skies, so that's going to be marked out. Yeah, no way. 3 minutes. Sorry. And then the next one is light rain. Plausible. 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 And then warm temperatures, low humidity. Well, when there's more water vapor, that means it's humid, so that's less humidity. So this is like obviously no, it's not low humidity, it's actually high humidity. An increase in temperature, possibly. Low pressure systems, like, yeah, because I know a high pressure system means like cool weather. So a low pressure system might have that happen. It might have that happen. Okay, it's a thing. So now we eliminated 2. All right, it's obviously not A, and it's not undo. It's obviously not A, nor is it C. So we're left with two answer choices. Is it B or is it D? Is light rain possible? Is in a low pressure system? Well, if I go back to all of the items, and here's my reference sheet in front of me. Bad weather, yeah, that means that there are clouds in the air because of the water vapor, potential for rain, or an increase in temperature. Well, low pressure systems could be cold and they could also be warm. It just depends. Just depends on the front that came about that day, the air mass. But what I'm thinking, because of the location, I don't see any other like cold front here or a warm front here. The other one just far away is around here in Dallas. So based on that, my best answer, where I know it's 100% better, is the light rain portion. So that would be the best answer choice. Best answer choice. Okay. See what I did there? It took a while, but once you start to do this more and more, it'll take like a few minutes a question. And for your quiz, you're going to have 45 minutes for, say, 15 questions. Okay, so you're going to have time. All right, guys. Well, I will, good luck with your test taking strategies. We are looking for this. We're not just looking for circles. So have fun and good luck.